चलो इसको रहा स्टार्ट कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री। ठीक है, इससे 9th क्लास में तो थोड़ा अबाउट कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री उनसे शाबाश पढ़ो ना कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री। कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री क्या बेसिकली ज्योमेट्री ऑफ कोऑर्डिनेट्स। ठीक है, सो गो वो कि कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम क्या है, व्हाट इज अ कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम, when it is formed, how it is formed. So 9th class में पुरमुत प्लेन उनसे क्या को प्लेन
सरफेस
से बनो इस किन बे की तेरे को अपना का सरफेस प्लेन
या the dimensions
शाबाश प्लेन जो आसा प्लेन is formed in a smooth surface, a smooth surface. चुने मान smooth surface, a smooth surface formed between two axes. अगर इसने वो ना axes दिमाग चाहिए, x axis and y axis. ठीक है, से इस प्लेन अगर इस प्लेन पर निमो इस पर ज लाइन mutually perpendicular lines, mutually perpendicular lines, mutually perpendicular lines, one horizontal and second vertical. ठीक, अगर इस निमो ज perpendicular lines अख horizontal ब्याख vertical. ठीक, इसी एरिया इसी स्पेस एक ये स्पेस उन दोन मंज प्लेन स्पेस यह प्लेन बेसिकली पार्ट ऑफ प्लेन between two mutually perpendicular lines, one horizontal and another vertical. So this is called a Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane formed between two
mutually
perpendicular lines. It is called a Cartesian plane. ठीक है, या इस coordinate system थी, coordinate system. Basically इस Cartesian plane छुआ आसा, ये Cartesian plane. अगर इस आठ प्लेनस पे कुन ती जाए कहाँ ऑब्जेक्ट करूँ खड़ा, से पॉइंट इस ऑब्जेक्ट पॉइंट ए. ठीक, कथा है समझ. सो पॉइंट ए छुवंस कथ पे एक कार्टेशियन प्लेनस पे हमेशा किनत कि पोजीशन कथा जाय छु ये कथा जाय वकनस इसमें से पोजीशन छु. अगर इस पॉइंट इस ऑब्जेक्ट पोजीशन करो लोकेट इस पोजीशन छाड़ा इस सो छाड़ा विद द हेल्प ऑफ दीज टू एक्सिस. नम ज एक्सिस दिवा छ एस पॉइंट पोजीशन ये कथ जाय छु आया कथ समझ. सो बनन ज एक्सिस दिवा छ एस ज
points या location
ज कोऑर्डिनेट दिवा छ गसन हासिल ज कोऑर्डिनेट कथ
point is
सो युस का पॉइंट युस का ऑब्जेक्ट कत अस खड़ा हो कार्टेशियन प्लेन्स पे. ठीक, युस पोजीशन छ बेसिकली ये कथ जाय छ सो हाय एस कोऑर्डिनेट्स. सो गसन पन ज कोऑर्डिनेट हासिल गेन. ठीक, तुम कोऑर्डिनेट बना तुम कोऑर्डिनेट दिवा पोजीशन. सो वो वो ये कस पोजीशन पे छु वकनस. सो तेल छ ज कोऑर्डिनेट छाड़े. सो गडनु कोऑर्डिनेट गो ये ना नो गड वसनस एस क्या मतलब है कस गडनु कोऑर्डिनेट या मनस ऑर्डिनेट ऑर्डिनेट गो कि ये पॉइंट कोता दूर छु एकिन यम y axis
Y
पे
axis nish.
y axis पे Cartesian coordinate plan coordinate system it is formed between two these
Mutually
perpendicular
perpendicular
lines.
lines.
Horizontal is called x
X
axis.
axis.
As a 9th class mus pormut. And vertical line is called y
Y
axis.
axis.
ठीक point of intersection it goes origin.
Origin.
Clear? So ms point age position yele tzhando god wusn chas you go ta dur chu y axis
Y
pe
axis.
suban ms coordinate suban ms ordinate
Ordinate.
x coordinate है ठीक so ms x coordinate go the distance
From
of the point or of the object of the point from y axis ठीक that becomes it is
Ordinate.
that becomes it is x coordinate or ordinate ठीक है सुबह ms ordinate
Ordinate.
say which question try to go दूर तम go से scale लेवा या x axis पे वचन kan divide scale मज पता कुन कुन scales मज depends upon on our choice say it is plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 so this point is 6 units away from
X axis.
x axis
Y axis.
from y axis so ms ordinate ban 6 comma पच उसन दुयम कोऑर्डिनेट उसन दुयम कोऑर्डिनेट क्या गो एब्सिसा तो पुरना 9th क्लास में व्हाट एब्सिसा गिव्स व्हाट इट मींस
Distance of point from
height of the point from x axis above x axis
above.
or below x axis jam coordinate as it is distance comma height distance comma height so ordinate them as distance of the point from y axis abscissa go height of the point
above
or below
x
axis ठीक so go that thought to x axis but that is just y axis करें divide
Divide
into scale into units equal units it is 1 2 3 4 so it is 4 units above x axis so plus above gonna plus units so 6 comma 4 even in position umban in coordinates clear so we cash coordinate how what is the
Position
role of coordinates
position of an object
position of an object on a
on
Cartesian plane ठीक या कुन तो प्लेनस पे से अगर मैं कह चीज कुन प्लेनस पे एम्स पोजीशन कोस हाय एस एम्स पोजीशन हाय एम्स कोऑर्डिनेट्स ठीक या समझो so godno coordinate ordinate one of this ordinate what is ordinate that is the how much the point
Distance.
how much the point is
distant from
away from y axis what is the rule of abscissa doyum coordinate
height of
oh yes
object.
what is the height of the object either it is above x axis positive height it can be negative when the object is below
x
axis height will be negative when it is above x axis height will be positive when the object is or when the point is on the left side of y axis
height will be negative
distance will be negative distance will be negative so the 9th class में formula you see Cartesian coordinate system होना चाहिए Cartesian coordinate system so what is Cartesian coordinate system a system formed by two mutually perpendicular lines like this x axis it's x dash होना चाहिए this is vertical line y dash clear ठीक this is origin अगर इसे स्केल में डिवाइड करो it is 1 plus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 minus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 plus 1 2 3 4 height above x axis plus height below
minus
x axis it is minus 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 so this is called Cartesian coordinate system or rectangular coordinate system and this system देखो this system it is divided into four quadrants पढ़ा होगा 9th class में it is divided into four quadrants or four subplanes and what is first quadrant it is x o y this is first quadrant first quadrant. What is anti-clockwise
Gasan.
This is second quadrant or second plane, subplane or second quadrant. This is third quadrant or x dash o y dash plane. Yet one is x o y plane. Quadrant quadrants. Yet one is x dash o y plane. Yet one x dash o y dash plane or third quadrant. This is fourth quadrant. X o y dash. It is fourth quadrant. And any point in the first quadrant
Is positive, comma positive.
its coordinates will be x coordinate will be positive, its ordinate will be positive, its abscissa will be positive because its distance from y axis is positive, its height is always positive. Second quadrant used to come point, used to come object, second quadrant
Minus, comma plus.
yes, coordinates minus, comma plus because its distance is negative and its height is positive. Used to come point third quadrant
Minus, comma minus.
it is minus minus one coordinates. Ordinate negative, abscissa negative because its distance is negative, its height is negative. It is below x axis. Used to come point fourth quadrant coordinates plus, comma minus because distance from y axis is positive and height below the x axis it is negative. You go clear? You ninth class Acha which is say Benamun is rectangular coordinate system. Acha basically coordinate geometry. So we have to deal with coordinates. We have to deal with plane figures. Plane figures. Yem figure kat as, this object kat as, plane aspect. Actuation imsins position, taluk kat set, imsins position set. Say agar as new rectangular coordinate system, which pata is, used to come point, yet system as, yet coordinate plane aspect as. Okay? Imis kya asan panin? Coordinates, because it has a position. It has a position. Which if you can draw point on a plane. If you can point draw on the plane. Imis kya panin? Coordinates hasil. But with respect to the plane in which it lies, on which it lies. You take a point, you take an object, kun plane aspect as. Imis kya achieve?
Coordinates.
Imis kya asan? Imis asan panin coordinates. Guys. Position. So whenever an object has a position, that position is given by coordinates. Whenever there is a point on a plane, it has coordinates. Okay? That's reverse. What is coordinates number? Coordinate 5, 6. So what it represents?
It has a position.
It represents a point. 5, 6 can represent points. If it points can represent coordinates. If it can coordinates can represent points, objects. So it was like 10, 2. So 10, 2 as kanat ka point. As ka kunnat kunja point. Pach pata as 10, 2 yat plane aspect as so timuk x its distance is positive, its height is positive. So 10, 2 will lie in the first quadrant in the coordinate system. Point, coordinates -5, -6. So what it represents?
It lies in the
it represents
quadrant.
a point. It represents a point, and that point will be in third quadrant. That means the distance of that point is negative. The height of that point is negative. You took a point as draw karo. Because I have the point draw. You must ask coordinates. Nimja karbo point draw. You must ask coordinates. You must ask coordinates. You must point to ask coordinates. Guys, position to practice. So you took a kunja ka point draw guys. Plane spread. You took a point object. Iskat karon khada. Plane spread. MS coordinates asan because it has a position. So position to cut set relate.
Point set use cards and plans.
Position to relate coordinates set. ठीक. Yeli kun point is coordinates asan to matlab wo tas position. Yellow kun point is position as. That means it
Timish
has
pan
coordinates.
coordinates.
Okay? So coordinates and position, they are related to each other,
Interrelated.
internally related, because coordinates give us position, position gives us coordinates.
Coordinates.
You go clear? Say many points over one. Point A, point B, point C,
And
point
D.
D. So all the points, they will have
Their
coordinates.
own coordinates.
Own coordinates. Pas kuni point as pan coordinates. Guys, ach pan position. Clear? अच्छा वह अगर इस point A में निम जाए ड्रा कोरमुत अगर बह यह point मूव गस यह point गस मूव से point A moves यह वो यत वोत यह पकान योकुन x axis को अच्छा यूता यूता यह मूव गस यूता यूता यह पनी पोजीशन चेंज कर अमुक मतलब गो तीत बदलन अम सद कोऑर्डिनेट्स GPRS सिस्टम आम तो मोबाइल में इंस्टॉल कर कुन जाए पकान पकान
Location hawa.
सो लोकेशन हाव सो पॉइंटर चेंज ग वाई दैट चेंजेस बिकॉज coordinates are changed. ठीक है सो अगर मैं पॉइंट ए निम जाए अत पन्न coordinates अत आस कह coordinates से अत coordinates 5 6 अगर यह बोन कुन वोत अगर यह बोन कुन वसा x axis कुन अमुक मतलब गो अमिस पन्न
Coordinates gonna
coordinates
change.
यत आसन बदल coordinates यत आसन बदल coordinates
Different points पर different
so different
coordinates.
position पर आसन different coordinates you go clear so you as per 9th class must the coordinate system coordinate geometry that means rectangular coordinate system. These sub quadrants first second third fourth quadrants so it's as 10th class must चीज पारन उमने कोऑर्डिनेट से थोड़ा बहुत डील करें गो वो देखिए 10th क्लास वो अगर कह रेक्टेंगुलर कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम या वो सिंपली कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम से XO X dash एंड YO Y dash ठीक से मे द फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंटस मज XO Y प्लानस मज इसमें पॉइंट ए निम जाए अमिस क्या आसन पन कोऑर्डिनेट्स यत ब्या पॉइंट बी अमिस आसन पन कोऑर्डिनेट्स अलग कोऑर्डिनेट डिफरेंट कोऑर्डिनेट्स अच्छा ये गो वो कि दोन पॉइंटन दरमियान डिस्टेंस दे हैव डिस्टेंस इन बिटवीन देम दे आर फार away at some distance from each other सुने एस तो बीस दरमियान कह डिस्टेंस कह फासला कह डिस्टेंस when the 2 points are different they are having a distance between them so your distance ठाने ये वुन with the help of coordinates आगो बजा वन से ए पे बीस तान कत डिस्टेंस अम गई दूर अकिस नश अत क्या तरीक गो अनो स्केल करो स्केल सत मेजर ए पे बीस तान with the help of scale वो अम अकिस नश दूर 5 centimeter this is one way simple way सुने ब्या तरीक with the help of coordinates ठीक अश पाई ए coordinates B coordinates so with the help of coordinates say बजा वन निमिश coordinates x1 y1 निमिश थाव coordinates x2 y2 different coordinates so with the help of coordinates वो हेको ये distance उमन दरमियान कड़ित ठीक ती करन 10th class में गोडनुक टॉपिक is how we can find distance between two given points with the help of their own coordinates. This is the first topic in this class. Which हम कहते क्या कर रहे हैं say ये है तो लोग ऐसे points A with the coordinates x1 y1 and B is a point with the coordinates x2 y2. इसका कोई let A x1 y1 and B शाबाश x2 y2 be the 2 points. Be the 2 points. Now what we have to do?
Measure the distance between
we have to find distance between A and B. क्योंकि मैं उनमें से वही थे Agar A is coordinates x1, y1, what it means? That point A is at a distance of x1
x1 from x-axis, from y-axis,
and its height is y1
y1
above
above
x.
x-axis.
गो इमो मतलब गो पॉइंट ए यह दूर x1 y एक्सिस पे अम सज हाइट y1 ठीक है तो सह किफ कड़ो we will draw a perpendicular from A say on OX on x axis बस हम A पे perpendicular x axis पे say AL ठीक AL height of point A above x axis that means प्रति में अगर A पन coordinates x1 y1 A पे throw perpendicular में on the x axis then what is OL? OL is distance of A from y axis. That means OL as x1 as ना तो AL कोता है y1 ठीक अच्छा इथे पे B निमुत point x2 y2 B पे थ्रो perpendicular on x axis say BM then OM is x2 है ना तो O पे M is कितना distance x2 and what is BM
y2
BM is y2 ठीक है so let's look let A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 be the 2 points. Now draw AL and BM perpendicular on OX. Simple. As through AL to BM perpendicular.
OX aspect.
Then shabash. Then OL is equal to x1 because OL the distance of A
from
y-axis. And what is height?
AL
is y1 है ना अगर मैं पॉइंट B अच्छे कोऑर्डिनेट्स x2 y2 मैं थ्रो B पे परपेंडिकुलर BM है ना then what is OM
x2
and OM is x2 है ना
and BM
and
is
BM is
y2
y2 कथा है समझ ये तो फिक्री अच्छा बेसिकली A B काढो which A B काढने खतर क्या करो वैसे वो तो ब्याक परपेंडिकुलर A पे से AN on BM ठीक है इधर बने ANB अख राइट ट्रायंगल यात मज AB हाइपोटेन्यूज अगर इस राइट ट्रायंगल मज नम साइड नेरन परपेंडिकुलर तो बेस नेर ऐसे को हाइपोटेन्यूज कर कथा समझ इसलिए को आल्सो शाबाश also draw AN perpendicular on BM so that shabash so that ANB
is a
right triangle. Clear? Which has earth right triangle means concentrate karun AB karun hypotenuse karun. But hypotenuse near tell ये base AN to perpendicular BN. Now we will try to get AN. Try to find AN. तो लगे AN नेरी उसके फ्लोट नेरी AN to बराबर और LM because LMNA is a rectangle. AN इस बराबर LM. तो LM नेरी LM नेरी उससे LM चुना OM minus OL. Because we know OM is x2 and OL is x1. So LM benetil x2 minus x1. It's like now AN
is equal
to LM is equal to OM minus OL. Simple. है ना AN should बराबर LM LM should बराबर OM minus OL because we can get these two distances from the origin. So AN करने खतर वो सुबह x axis पे नेरने में दो distance ठीक है तो इसलिए को now शाबाश now AN
is
equal to LM is equal to OM minus OL is equal to x2 minus x1. Clear? That means Yellow LM draw x2 minus x1. Draw until A and the x2 minus x1. Clear? Upaka is BY spot. BY BN cardon. BN. This perpendicular. So BN के foot नहीं रहती. BN शाबाश. ये बने BM minus BN. Simple सुने जी. BN है ना शुद्ध यथ height पे. So इसलिए को also शाबाश. Also
BN
is equal to BM minus
BN.
है ना? BN is equal to BM
minus BN.
no minus BN के फट गए. BN guys BM minus NM. एक ही NM. BN guys BM minus NM. And NM is equal to AL. Opposite sides of rectangle also. है ना? So which is equal to, then it means BN should BN bentel BM minus NM. NM shall barabar Y1. Then when Y2 minus Y1. It is Y2 minus Y1. Clear? So BN बनावे Y2 minus Y1. इतना फिक्री. वो draw as base थी. Draw as perpendicular. Then करो apply Pythagoras theorem. Ad करो AB ये hypotenuse. Distance is an assigned in this. Let's like now, shabash. Now applying
Pythagoras theorem.
Like PGT Pythagoras theorem in right triangle, shabash. A and B. And we have AB square. No, hypotenuse square is equal to AN square plus BN square. Or so when AB square is equal to, now what is AN? AN is x2 minus x1. It is x2 minus x1 whole square. Plus what is BN?
Y2
minus Y1 whole square. Or actually AB करूँ. तो क्या cancel even or AB is equal to sets the root till. So क्या gets cancel your square root. It is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. And this is also called distance formula. यह है distance formula. That means इमक मतलब को अगर अलग point say point A with its coordinates x1 y1. Yours has back point B with its own coordinates x2 y2. So you have one point of coordinates given us and pata us. So we have two different points, A with the coordinates x1 y1 and B with the coordinates x2
y2.
Then distance AB. It will be equal to square root of, so even formula. Square root of, which say, even ordinate minus ordinate. Doing ordinate minus first ordinate. Even x2 minus x1. Big whole square. Plus yes. Abscissa minus abscissa. It is y2 minus y1 whole square. So apply this formula, we can get distance between 2 points. For example, bonus at a point of P, at coordinates 5, 6. Back point at Nimjai Q, alag at coordinates 7, 8. Say, for example, then what is distance PQ? Simple nearest. What is PQ of my scale ani? With the help of coordinates, then PQ will be equal to under root of
7 minus 5.
x2. Got to go x1 y1. x2 y2. x2 minus x1.
7
ordinate minus ordinate. Even till 7 minus 5 whole square plus 8 minus 6 whole square. So when or PQ is equal to under root of
49.
It is
49 minus 25.
7 minus 2. 1 of 2. It is 2 square plus 8 minus 6. It is 2 square. It is or PQ is equal to under root of 4 plus 4 that is under root of 8 units. امیُک مطلب گوٚو P کیٛاہ چھُ تیٚلہِ distance under root 8 units. Simple. Very simple. So we know if we have two given points. Given points means if we are given the coordinates of two points, then we can find easily the distance between those 2 points. With the distance formula, that is x2 minus x1 square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1
whole square.
Apply this distance formula, you can get distance between two given points. Two given points. Provided you are given the coordinates of the 2 points. So, इलेस पता आसन दोनों पॉइंट हिंद पन coordinates. ऐसे को उमन दरमियान easily distance कड़ित with the help of distance formula. तो ये में से निम जाए how we can derive the distance formula. ठीक है? चलो आज गो इसन after we take a question. ये question जो है दित जास ने given के points जास उमन दरमियान distance थानी. Simple. एक example. Example ऐसे